Today, I'm going to show you how to make this easy strawberry parfait that has only 3 ingredients and makes a lovely no-bake dessert, or you could make it as an indulgent breakfast too. And I've got the blog post, which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe step-by-step instructions and lots of ideas for variations. You can make this with 3 ingredients or more if you'd like to, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So the 3 ingredients you'll need are strawberries. I've got a whole plate full of strawberries here, some that I've chopped up, some I've left whole. I'm just going to be probably using the chopped ones, but I've just got extra there in case I want to chop some more up. I'm using this vanilla yogurt. I actually just got it from Aldi. It's a plain, well, it's a nice vanilla yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt if you want and then sweeten it with a bit of stevia or honey or maple syrup. I'll write all the ideas in the blog post down below for extra ingredients above the 3, beyond the 3 we're using. And I've got granola here. You can use homemade granola, store-bought granola, any granola you like, or if you don't want it to have any granola in it, you can use some nuts and seeds instead or add them in. But yep, all will be in the blog post down below. So let me show you how to construct it, put it all together. I'm using a glass to construct my parfait, but you can use a jar if you want to instead. And I'm going to pop a couple of tablespoons of yogurt at the bottom and then add in a handful of berries. You can see it's starting to take shape nicely, and it's really up to you. You can keep repeating the layers. I'm going to put a little bit of the granola inside it and then a bit on top as well. So we'll pop some granola next. Now yeah, I've been enjoying this as dessert, but you could make this for breakfast if you want to instead. It'd be so good. So my first layer is done. You can see yogurt, berries, granola, and now I'm going to add on a second layer. Starting with the yogurt and then the berries. And it's looking so pretty with all those layers. And now I'm just going to finish it off with a bit of granola on top. And just 3 ingredients. It's kind of an instant, lovely, no-bake dessert that I've just been enjoying in the afternoons, and I'm sure you'll love it too. And there's loads of ways to adapt it depending on your dietary requirements, on what you like and what you enjoy and what you've got, what's available in season. So that is how to make my easy strawberry parfait recipe with only 3 ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you give this easy strawberry parfait a try, what you think of it, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the recipe step-by-step instructions and lots of ideas for variations too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.